Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by measuring the backplate area and mounting holes precisely. Use 3, 5 inches and M3 spacing guidelines. Photograph the card and note connector positions to avoid mistakes later. Decide whether you will paint, apply a vinyl wrap, or add drilled cutouts before you remove the card. Gather tools now including an M3 screwdriver, a 2mm drill bit, 120 grit sandpaper, masking tape, and safety glasses. Set aside 15 to 30 minutes for planning and materials to avoid rushed modifications. Power down your PC and ground yourself with an anti-static strap before touching the card. Remove the M3 screws securing the backplate and lift the plate gently to avoid scraping the PCB. Inspect the plate for standoffs and thermal pads and note their positions to reinstall correctly. Sand sharp edges lightly using 120 grit sandpaper and clean with isopropyl alcohol afterwards. Mask any connector openings and PCI bracket areas with tape before you proceed to painting or drilling. If drilling decorative cutouts, secure the backplate and use a 2mm drill bit while protecting edges with masking tape. For paint, apply a heat-resistant primer then 2 to 3 thin coats of spray paint, waiting 3 to 5 minutes between coats. Allow the paint to cure for 24 hours before handling to avoid smudges. Replace thermal pads or standoffs as originally placed and reinstall the backplate with M3 screws finger tight then slightly snug. Check fit carefully to ensure no contact with capacitors or the heatsink after reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.